Alright, you're welcome to Mega Profits Online Trading. I want to continue on the current course we are handling. Alright, before now I've been talking about candlesticks. So I've talked about the formation of a candlestick, the classification of a candlestick, and different candlesticks. We want to look at types of candlesticks. Okay, types of candlesticks. Now, the number one we want to look at here is what we call the hammer and the hanging man. The hammer and the hanging man. Okay. Now, hammer and hanging man. The hammer and the hanging man looks exactly alike, but have totally different meaning depending on the past price action. So both have cute little body, black or white. That is, this is bear, this is bull. Okay, long and lower shadow. Okay, and a short absent upper shadow. Okay, look at this. This is the wicks, this is the body, this is the wicks, this is the body, this is the little wicks here at the top, little wicks at the top. So this is always represented or called a hammer. This, as you can see, it is called a hammer. Okay, it is called a hammer. So let's look at this. A hammer or a hanging man. Then recognition. In a chart, you can always see a hammer here. Okay, hammer is always used for reversals. It's okay. Is a bounce. You know, when price overshoot, then what happened? There is a bounce. Overshoot, bounce. Overshoot, bounce. Then for hanging man, look at it. So move so higher for reversal. So they are both used for reversals. Okay, for the bulls and the bears. For the bulls and the bears. Now, the long shadow is, let's look at the criteria, recognition criteria. The long shadow is about 2 or 3 times of the real body. Okay, you can see 2 or 3 times the real body. 2 or 3 times the real body. Okay, now little or no upper shadow. Little or no upper shadow. Little or no upper shadow. Okay, the real body is at the upper end of the trading range. The color of the real body is not even important. We don't look at, it's not important to us. But what is important to us is the rejection, the power of the rejection of the bulls here. Okay, the bulls are revising, because if you look at price is going lower, and bears are dominating, and you see a serious bounce here, it means the bulls are attempting to reverse what the market, okay, at this point. So let's go to the chart and see. Let's go to the chart and see. This is a hammer here. Okay, let's look for a very strong one here. Let's see if we can see another hammer. Okay, let's see. Let's see a hammer. All right, you can see the chart now, the real chart. Let's identify a hammer here. You can see a hammer here. This is a hammer. So what happened? Price pushed down, and you know what happened? It reverses it up again. Look at hammer here, took price up again. Okay, so you can always identify hammer, and is always used to reverse a trend. A trend. This is called an inverted hammer. Okay, I will also come to this type of candle, inverted hammer. Okay, so let's go back now. Now you can see hammer used to what? Reverse what? A trend, a bearish trend being reversed by what? A hammer. So let's look at the next one. A hammer, the psychology of trading hammer. A hammer is bullish. A hammer is bullish reversal pattern that forms during the downtrend. It is named because of the market is hammering out a bottom. When price is falling, hammer signals that the bottom is near, and price will start rising again. Okay, just an example of what happens here. Price is falling, hammer signals that price will start increasing or rising again. That's what it means. That's what I mean here. Okay, now the long lower shadow indicates sellers pushed price lower, but buyers were able to overcome the selling pressure and close near the open. Okay, so that's what it means here. When you look at this, now sellers pushed this candle lower, the body closed, the body pushed to this low, then the bulls now pushed it, and the candle now closes here. So what it means is the bulls dominated, and the next thing you see is you begin to look out for a Morobozu. So after the price at the close of a Morobozu candle, you need to buy. So if I'm to enter here, I will buy at after the close of this candle. And what will you see? You will see price start taking you higher. Okay, so that's how to trade using hammer. So the next thing is hanging man. Hanging man, the same thing is also identified here. It's also identified here. So let me not repeat issues here. Then the psychology of trading the hanging man is also here. The hanging man is a bearish reversal pattern that can also mark a top or a strong resistance level. When price is rising, the formation of a hanging man makes and indicates that sellers are beginning to outnumber buyers. So what do you think? Price will begin to come down, just like the way it is being showed here. So then let's look at the next one, inverted hammer and a shooting star. So I showed you this, okay, inverted hammer and what? A shooting star. So look at it here. I showed you this. This is a inverted hammer. Price was moving up, moving higher until we have what? An inverted hammer. This is what? A very strong rejection from this high to this level, and price closed here. So what do you expect? If the bears were able to push price up to this level in a bullish trend, what do you think? Then it means that there must be a pullback or a total major trend reversal. Okay, trend reversal, an NTR. Okay, you can see it here. This is what? Inverted hammer. It is called what? Inverted hammer. This is the hammer itself. Okay, this is the inverted aspect of what? The hammer. So you can see that there. Then let me go back. You can also see the shooting star. The shooting star is a bearish reversal candle. This is bearish reversal what? Candle. Then this one is a bullish reversal candle. So an inverted hammer is a bullish reversal candle for this, and a shooting star is a bearish reversal candle. Okay, you can see them here being identified. So now let's look at where you see them. This is this. Okay, this is inverted hammer. What happens when it was created at price sold and sold up to a particular length? What happened? An inverted hammer showed up. Price began to what? Rally up. Shooting star, the same thing happened. Bulls took it up, and a shooting star came up, and there was also the bears also dropped the price down. So this gives us a signal that something is about to happen. So when you see this, an inverted hammer, the inverted hammer occurs when price has been falling it suggests that the possibility of a reversal, it is long upper and shadow, and it shows that buyers tried to bid the price higher. So however, sellers saw that the buyers were doing what they said they would do, and then what happened? There is an attempt to push price back down. So they did it and began to push price back down. Okay. Fortunately, the buyers has eaten enough of their Wheaties for breakfast. Okay, this is just the psychology behind it, and still managed to close the session near the open. Okay, so what you need to understand, this is shooting star. Okay, a shooting star. This is for shooting star. So shooting star is a bearish reversal pattern that looks identical to the inverted hammer, but occurs when price has been rising. So that is in a bullish trend. Then you'll see a shooting star. So identified. When you see it, you have to be very careful. It is either you take off your profit, then you allow, if you are with the bull, take off your profit and allow the market to begin to play out, so that you can see the subsequent candles, what plays out. That will give you confidence and give you an indication of what is really going to happen. So if at the end of a shooting star you see a Morobozu formed, it means price is going down. So this is something that happened here. So you can also identify that here on our chart. So let's go to our chart. Look at this. This is a shooting star in a bullish trend. Shooting star appeared. What happened? It came down. Then there was, here is a Morobozu, bearish Morobozu. Okay, means that what? Price continuation. So what happened? Price continued downward. Another Morobozu, also formed here. So it means price will still go down again. So what it means is let's move. Price thanks to what? Move further. And that's what happens here. This is another shooting star. You can see it here. Another shooting star. So what happened? I was a reversal here. Then price started moving down. Okay. So a shooting star is used as a reversal candle. They use it to reverse a trend from bull to bear. Okay. Then a hammer is used, for example, look at a hammer here, is used to reverse a trend from, this is also a hammer here. It is used to reverse a trend of bear, from bear to the bulls, from the bears to the bulls. Okay, look at it here again. This is continuation. They tend to push it, then they push it higher again. Okay, so look at this. This is inverted. This is a shooting star. Okay, it moves up. They think we are moving higher. Shooting star shows up. It tells you that the bears are likely to take up the market again. Okay, after a hammer showed up, then the shooting star showed up again. Then when you see a Morobozu at the end of the shooting star, then know it that these people are taking the market. Then a Morobozu showed up. Then after the Morobozu, another consecutive Morobozu. Then what happened again? A spinning top. Spinning top shows up. Then another Morobozu. Price tends to be what? Moving down. So this is actually how candlesticks work for the beginners course. So I have the master's course on candle sticks and how to trade candlesticks. So if you really want that, you can chat me up. I can give you, but that particular course is on advance. And okay, so we'll discuss, we'll